Hello guys, Cubot's newest smartphone is the Cubot X50. The new X50 comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 processor, up to 8 GB of RAM. It has a 6.67-inch FHD Plus screen with a punch hole selfie camera. The MediaTek Helio P60 chip contains octa-core CPU, clock at 2.0 GHz, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 520 GB via SD cards. What's more, the device provides support for dual 4G VoLTE enabled dual SIM cards and fueled by 4500 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging with USB Type-C interface. It also runs on stock Android 11 out of the box. The Cubot X50 makers are even calling it flagship grade camera setup, and it really looks pretty solid. The rear camera combo includes 64 megapixel main camera with a Samsung sensor, the 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and a 0.3 megapixel photosensitive sensor with a 32 megapixel resolution and the AI beauty camera. The selfie shooter isn't forgotten either. This phone is debuted today with a really affordable price to get. Cubot X50 price set at $179.99, but for the launch it will be available on AliExpress discounted to only $169.99. That's very solid considering all the specs and especially for the cameras. I also invite you to participate in Cubot giveaway where you can win 10 units Cubot X50. And also the official buying links are below this video. Be free and visit them. That will be all for today. See you soon with the next video. Bye.